Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into soft plastic lures and breaking down the top 3 picks that are perfect for beginners. We'll look at how to rig these lures and discuss the best times and locations to use them. So whether you're just starting out or looking to refine your skills, these lures will up your fishing game. Diving into our first bait, which is the classic stick bait. These lures come from a wide range from $1 to $3 to even $8, but they all work pretty well for largemouth and smallmouth bass. These lures primarily mimic dying bait fish and other prey. There are 2 main ways to rig this bait. First is the wacky rig. Take a wacky hook and stick it in the middle. Simply cast the bait out and let it sink on down. This rig is very slow moving, so make sure that you're targeting cover such as wood and docks. This rig is a great finesse presentation from the mid-spring when bass move shallow all the way to the end of fall. When fishing heavier cover, the Texas rig is the way to go. Take a wide gap hook and slide the bait on till the hook bends. Thread it up the hook and over the eye. Line the bait up and pinch behind the hook. Push forward and thread it on. Skin hook it to make it completely weedless. You can add a weight to add depth. The next beginner-friendly plastic is a soft plastic swim bait. Like the Senko, this bait works pretty straightforwardly. Thread it on a jig head and cast it out. Retrieve it steadily enough to get the tail kicking to imitate bait fish. In open water, you can use an exposed hook for greater hookups. An easy way to make sure that you don't mess up the rigging is to stick the bait on the hook just before the bend of the hook. Then poke the eye of the jig head into the bait. This will mark the exact spot that the hook will need to exit the bait to be properly rigged. When fishing around cover, you can use a weighted belly hook by screwing in the head and exposing it in the back. The swim bait is excellent for covering water all year round. And the last bait we'll look at is Ned rig baits. These plastics are perfect for finesse situations with their small size and ability to be fished slowly. Just throw these small baits on a tiny bass jig or on a bare jig head. Drag it on the bottom and reel in fish all day. This rig works great during the spring in cold water and all year round in streams and rivers with rock bottoms. Elastec baits like Z-Man TRDs are awesome because they are extremely durable and last through tons of fish. However, it can be frustrating when they are rigged wrong, even slightly, because they are so difficult to get off the hook. To save you from this trouble, you can use the side line of the TRDs to guide your hook to make sure that they are straight every time. As we conclude today's look at beginner-friendly soft plastics for bass fishing, I hope you've found some valuable tips to enhance your fishing experience. Feel free to comment what lures you started with in the comments below.